What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by HiPDF.com, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at this awesome site. So as you guys can see, this is an awesome conversion tool that is built directly into a website for all your different file formats. So as you guys can see, we have 10 different options for converting PDFs into different documents in less than a second. As you guys can see, the overall site is really simple. All it says is our PDF converter supports all of the most commonly used file formats: Word, Excel, PPT, which is PowerPoint, JPEG, PNG, BMP, GIF, and EPUB. With over 10 years of experience, we can offer you the best quality conversion. It's also super easy to use. As you can see, you just click it and convert. The security is SSL encryption, so no need to worry about your documents that you just signed going to the wrong place. It's a very safe site. And of course, Wondershare, I've reviewed many of their software in the past, and they are very trustworthy overall. And last but not least, this works on all the popular browsers, including everything from Chrome to Firefox to Internet Explorer to, of course, Safari. So we're going to go ahead and check out how this works real quick. So first of all, as you guys can see, we have all the different options here. I'm going to go ahead and simply choose the first one. This is PDF to Word, because this is probably the most popular one people are going to be doing. So here I have a random instruction manual, and as you can see, it's going to start uploading this particular document. Converting to Word. Alright, so we're like a handful of seconds in, and it's already at 90%. Oh, never mind, it's at 100%. And from here on out, you can actually go and download, or you can hit continue and convert something else. Now, next off, I'm going to try converting this to a PowerPoint. This one should be interesting. And oh, by the way, you are restricted to 10 megabytes. So as you guys can see, anything more than 10 megabytes, which is a lot, to be honest, because 10 megabytes is around like a 100-page PDF. So it makes sense that it doesn't want to convert that. But let's go ahead and choose something that's normal. This one's around like 30 pages long, and I'm going to go and convert it into a PowerPoint document. And this time I'm actually going to go and download it to see if I can open it. So we're going to click this, and as you can see, I see the PowerPoint symbol right here. Let's see if it goes and opens up. Oh, there you go. All right, so Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's see if we can get this completely open. And just like that, this manual right here has turned into a PowerPoint document that you can go and mess with. How cool is that? And all of this happened online. Now we're going to go ahead and try something a little bit more interesting. So let's go and upload a PDF document and convert it into images. And here, look at this, we actually have options. None of the other ones have options, but this you can actually convert to JPEG, PNG, GIF, BMP, or even TIFF. So let's see, I want to choose maybe PNG, and I'm going to hit upload and convert. Same thing once again, and let's see if it takes it and converts it into images. Once again, converting to image, 98%, and it's done. How cool is that? Now I'm going to go and download it, and it's going to download as a zip file. And as you can see, believe it or not, here are all of my PNG images. I'm going to open that up, and there you go. There is my image. How cool is that? So it's a super simple site. Go ahead and check it out. I'm not sure if it's going to be 100% useful to you at this very second, but keep it in mind for the future, because I guarantee you, you're going to have a PDF one day and you're going to be like, oh, now I have to download software or jump into Word or jump into some converting software in order to convert your PDF into something like a PowerPoint or an Excel spreadsheet. But with this, you can do it in a handful of seconds. It's a really simple site and easy to use. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.